The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that specializes in the highest quality of whiteboard walls available worldwide. Draw It Paint is constantly undergoing tests and procedures to ensure industry-leading, top-quality products with 3 selections to choose from. Recruit, Unique, and Limitless are guaranteed to suit all your dry erase paint needs.
It sounds like resiliency is an often common theme within real estate agents. Do you think that's something that's learned or just something people have or they don't have?
I think we are so funny. I had this conversation recently, and I think it's something that people have or they don't have. I think you can learn it to a degree, I should say, but I feel like you're born with that grit, as you say, or that hustle in you, that drive, and that, because you have to have a lot of personal discipline and determination in order to sell real estate, because no one is calling you every morning like, Sheay, did you get up and make your calls? Sheay, did you go out there and knock on those doors? Sheay, did you follow up with those clients? Nobody's going to do that ever. So you have to have that wherewithal within you to get up every day, to make those calls, to go out on those appointments, and to get those leads, and to show people, I want to earn your business. So I think that's something that is intrinsically within you. I'm not sure if it's DNA or if you're just born with it or what, but I feel like that's something that comes from within.